wanted to jump on here really quickly. I ordered, sorry for the noise, some clicker press dies from a gentleman on Etsy that is in Hong Kong, China. His name is Ken, and he goes under the name Leathervine on his Etsy store. These just showed up, so I'm literally in my truck, like, freaking out because I've been waiting on them. I ordered at the end of May, so this is June 18th. Originally, the estimate was given that it would show up on the 16th. That's not their fault. We just had some crazy weather event in Houston. Now, I did pay him extra money to have a faster shipping because it's me. I'm impatient. Plus, I need things. So, this arrived packaged really well. So, I'm using a throwing knife that I had in my truck because I don't have my pocket knife on me. Shh, don't tell my dad. To get into this so I can take a look at it, and I'm like super excited. I have had that press I bought from Buckle Guy. It is a 4-ton little clicker press. The head swivels, but I have barely used it because I don't own press dies, and they are horrendously expensive here in the US to have made. I'm not sure why. I mean, I understand why, because, you know, everything costs a fortune here, so the cost of living is high and people have to earn a living wage, and I get it, but I am on a living wage, and I can't afford to spend $200 or whatever on one die when I can get 2 of them made. These are zipper overlay dies. Sorry, still cutting tape and wrapping. Thank you for wrapping this so well, Ken. Protect it all the way from there to here. I'm in Magnolia, Texas. In case this is your first time seeing anything that's on my channel. And yet again, this is another random impromptu video. I didn't know when these were coming exactly. When you are dealing with international tracking, the information that they give you is kind of hit and miss. But I did actually message him early this morning asking if he had more information, because on Etsy it was literally showing no tracking, but there was a number assigned, and I was like, okay, I know that there's something out there. But the info I was able to pull was pretty sparse, and he responded back to me in a couple of hours, bless his heart, because I think it was like 8 something this morning, so I think that's pretty late. I feel like we're about 12 hours apart, so I think it was already evening for them. So sorry, Ken, didn't mean to like disturb y'all. Hopefully he has his ringer off so that people are not harassing him. So I bought the acrylic die presses. Look, it's amazing. So I can see through to see my placement, and I bought 2 of them so I can make some little smaller one or a larger one very easily without having to go crazy with my X-Acto knife. Cutting out this interior shape is difficult, and it's generally very obvious that you've hand cut it, but again, you know, you have to do what you have to do. So when you get ready, definitely check him out. 10 out of 10 I would buy again, and I actually am gonna order another little set because I have a little wallet that I like to make. It was actually Sincerely Jen's pattern. I want to say it's called Joshua. Starts with a J, maybe. Apologies, Jen, I'm messing this up. But anyway, so check her pattern out. It's amazing. It's a little bifold wallet. I actually carry one for myself every day. I digress. Here, don't look at my ID. But yeah, it's just her little bifold. I love this thing. I've fit like multiple cards down inside here, so it's not just, even though it's only 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets, and there's a window for your ID. Even though it's that, it holds a lot. So you know, can totally use that if you are wanting to be more minimalist. I don't carry a purse, even though I make them. Don't tell anybody. I know. I'm just, yeah, me. But, so yeah, check him out. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll let you guys know how this works out because I'm actually cutting a bag pattern for a tutorial that I'm about to video later today. Hopefully, if I'm not too tired after I cut everything, for my new pattern that's coming out, and it is for a shoulder bag, and it's called April Renee. All right, thanks. See you guys later. Bye. I'm gonna attempt to show y'all what it is. This is my little buckle guy press. I have that die face down with the blade pointed downward on top of the leather that I want to cut, and also on top of the little poly board so that you don't damage your blades. This overlay is large, so you're not really gonna do it in one swoop, but that's fine. This is 1,000 times easier. than trying to do this by hand. Now I'm just gonna sneak it off of here. Try to keep it from moving and take a look. Oh yeah, it already cut all the way through. Look at that. That's amazing. And the back of this die has little holes, slots, so you can push the material out. You could use your screwdriver. I just have this little Craftsman, I think it's supposed to be like an awl, but yeah. Just to push it through, it comes out just like this. And it is perfect, y'all. That is perfect. Oh my goodness, I'm just over the moon. Okay, have a good one. I just want to give you a better visual of this because I realized y'all cannot see a darn thing from what I just tried to show you. That's the overlay. Oh my gosh, I love it.